Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about generate series function in Power BI. So what is generate series function and what generally it does? So generate series function returns a one column table populated with the sequential values. So whenever there is a requirement that we need to create a one column table and the value must be populated with the help of a sequential things like what is the start value and what is the end value and what is the sequence. So this is the signature of generate series function. This is the start value, this is the end value, and this is the increment. A start value and the end value can be positive or negative like this 0, 10, 100, 403, like 10, minus 10, minus 100, minus 44 like this. Increment value used to increment between start and end and must be non-zero and positive. So increment value will be like what is the increment value? It will start from start value till end value. And it must be a non-zero and it must be a positive. Like 2, 3, 4, 5.5, 100, etc. Generate series is a great way to build a custom range of data to be used as a parameter input. In this exercise, I am going to use this data model. If you want to understand the data model, then please watch video number 12 in this playlist. What I am doing in this exercise, I am creating a table, and how I am going to create the table? I am going to create the table with the help of this generate series function. This is the start value minus 100. This is the end value, and it will going to increment by 100. So let's create this table in Power BI. Let me create a new table. Name of the table is AP Retail Generate Series. And how we are going to create this table? With the help of a generate series function. It's going to take couple of parameters. First is what is the start value? Let me give minus 100. What is the end value? End value is positive 100. And what is the increment? Increment is, let's say, 10. Let me run it. So we have seen it's created a single column table, and the data is starting from 100 minus 100, and it is incrementing by 10, and it will end this 1000 because the end value is 1000. So in this video we have seen how we can create a table with the help of a generate series function. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.